More about the markets, let's bring on board Aditya Agarwala, who's joining in with us this afternoon as well. Aditya, very good afternoon to you as well. Markets, right? Seems like a bit of a Monday blues, subdued trade coming in. What is the indication that we're picking it up in terms of the markets now? Where do you see it headed?
Hi, Vinny. Good afternoon. Thanks for the show. I believe we are done with the intermediate correction. It's time to look at going long on the market. A bit of a contra trade, but I believe risk to reward is in favor of going long in the market. If I take a look at the open interest data as well, clearly suggests that in 19,600 to about 19,550 is a good support area for the markets. That also happens to be 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of the recent up move. So given 100 points from current levels, I believe it's good time to go long on the market. Could easily test levels of 19,800 to about 19,900 on the upside. And especially the bank Nifty, that is looking good to me at the moment. And I believe one should clearly look at going fresh long on the bank Nifty, and on the upside, it can test levels of 44,800 about 45,000 on the upside. So clearly, I'm not too bearish at the moment, given the fact that we've already corrected in the past 4 to 5 trading sessions. And risk to reward clearly is suggesting that one should look at long positions in the market from current levels.
Right, and Aditya, I just want to talk more stock specific. Today, look at MCX, right? What an up move that we've seen. Anything on the chart front that you're indicating for MCX? What are you picking up on that front?
Oh, brilliant up move, Vinny. And if you take a look at a slightly longer term time horizon charts of MCX, it clearly spells out that it has been a marked outperformer. Despite the fact that markets have been all over the place, the stock has been continuously making higher highs, higher lows. In fact, it went into a sideways consolidation phase for past 2 trading weeks, and today it's broken out on heavy volumes. So clearly, it's a resumption of the uptrend for the stock at current levels. One can look at going fresh long, even though the stock is up 9-10% in trade today. If somebody has a time horizon of 6 months to about a year's time frame, I believe should clearly look at MCX even at current levels. Stock still offers a good 15 to 20% upside. I'm looking at a target of 2,100 on MCX from current levels. And mind you, 1880 to about 1875 is a good support area for the stock. So again, after consolidation, stock has broken out on excellent volumes. Winnie, I believe it's good. It's time. MCX should outperform. And look at the likes of BSE, the way it has moved. I believe MCX too will do the catch up. And in the similar space, is one stock which has been clearly ignored is CDSL. One should look at CDSL as well, because I believe CDSL too will do a bit of a catch up along with MCX and the likes of BSE.
Aditya, obviously these two stocks that you spoke about, but what are your top picks that are coming in this market?
So again, Vinny, I've got a couple of buy recommendations because I feel market is ready for an up move. The first stock is Tata Consumer stock. Again, has broken out a narrow consolidation phase. It tested that neckline again, and then now it's on its way up. So one should clearly look at going long on the stock. A bit more positional trade at current levels. One should add the stock, look for a target of 920 on the upside with a stop loss at 875. Offers a good risk to reward. Again, Apollo Hospital, this entire space when is looking very attractive to me. The diagnostic center, the hospitals, I believe there is good money making opportunity here. So Apollo Hospital is something which I picked up for our viewers today. At current levels, one should add the stock, look for a target of 5,200 on the upside with a stop loss at 49.20 on the downside.
Absolutely, but Aditya, let's talk about Bajaj Finance, right? Look at the move that we've seen coming in last 6 months. Also, surely the stock has seen an uptick from the 6,000 levels. Today we're trading around that 8,000 level, just around those mark as well. What is the technical chart indicating for Bajaj Finance? Yes, we do have a news flow, but technically, how is it Bajaj Finance looking now?
I think Vinny, it is on its way to test levels of 8,000. 8,000 has been acting as a stiff resistance for the stock for some time now. It's not been able to take that out. I believe once it takes out 8,000 levels, it's a clear up move. It's in an uncharted territory. Then even from current levels, 8,000 is a good up move. So I believe if somebody already has the stock, continue to hold on to the stock with the stop loss at 7,700. The first target will be 8,000, which is acting as a hurdle. And I believe in the near term, it should take out 8,000 because the larger time frame charts do suggest that the breakout is on cards. The placement of the RSI, the volume build-up, and the pattern itself suggests that it's a matter of time before stock actually breaks out of that 8,000 mark. At the moment, yes, if somebody is a short-term trader, look for a target of 8,000. for maybe a longer term time horizon, wait for a breakout above 8,000, and then you could see a clearly up move building up on the stock.
Okay, that's the view coming in on Bajaj Finance. On the technicals also seem like there's a breakout. But Aditya, thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon on ET Now, and as always giving us your understanding on the markets as well as interesting stocks to watch out for as well. But